Good morning, class 6th, chapter number 1, food and its sources. Student, we have discussed in previous lecture food and nutrition, and we have discussed also the staple food. What is the staple food? Food items that we eat in major portion on a daily basis are called staple food, and we have discussed also the importance of the food, and we have discussed also ingredient. Now, what is the ingredient? The substance from which the food is made are called ingredient. For example, rice and urad dal are ingredient of the dosa, and idlis are made from the batter of rice, dal and salt. And in this way we can say that the vegetable soup is made from the vegetables, water, salt, oil, spices. So all these food items ingredient. So if we talk about these ingredient, where do you think we get these ingredient from? So we get them from the plants and animals. So there is a one question, from where do we get food? From plants and animals. Now student, in this video we will discuss the food from plants and food from animals. First we will discuss the food from plants. And you know, plants are the producer. Why they are producer? Because green plants can prepare their own food. We have learnt also that plants make their own food by a process called photosynthesis. They store extra food in different parts such as fruits, leaves, stem, roots, flowers and seed in the form of the starch. So if we talk about what is the photosynthesis, this is the process by which plant make their own food using the raw material such like sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and so plants are called producers. And student, plant produce more food than the required from themselves, and they store also extra food in various part: root, stem, flower, leaves, fruits and seed. If we talk about, on the other hand, animals, so animals can prepare their own food? No, they depend on the plants and other animals for their food. So animals are consumers. What are the consumers? Animals cannot produce their own food. They directly or indirectly depend on green plants for their food requirements, are called consumers. If we take example of the fruits, vegetable, pulses, rice, wheat are the some of the food products that we obtain from the plants. These are the plant product. So there are the some example of the various plant part that are used as a food. For example, roots. So you can take these roots: radish, carrot, turnip, beetroot. They are the edible roots of the plant, and the food is stored in the roots of these plants that we eat. They are the modified root. Understand what I am saying? So carrot, turnip and beetroot are the edible. Edible means we eat this root, and the food is stored in the roots of these plants that we eat. Now we can take example of the stem, and these are the example of the edible stem: ginger, sugar cane and turmeric. And potato also are the modified stem, and they grow underground. They are the underground stem. Wheat stem of the certain plants such as sugar cane also and lotus also. And student, you know, haldi, turmeric is also an underground stem. When we cut, it is a bright orange in color. When it is dried and powdered, before it is used in making dishes. When you use this turmeric powder, it should be dried and powdered. And nowadays you should be as a root turmeric in a coronavirus diseases. This is a we can say that it is a medicine. This is a herb. And now next part is leaves. You can see there is a diagram also. Leaves, these are the edible leaves. Methi, coriander, cabbage, spinach are the example of the some common edible leaves, and many green leaf vegetables are eaten raw. You can take example of the coriander. You can use as a raw. And if we talk about the leaves of the some plants such as cabbage, lettuce, spinach, mustard are eaten as a food. And if we talk about the leaves of the mint and coriander are used in, yes student, making chutney and for garnishing. And you know mint is a medicinal plant also, medicinal properties also, and every green vegetable also has many medicinal properties. So there are the some common plant leaves eaten as a food: cabbage, methi, spinach. Understand what is a garnishing, decorating food. So student, I hope you understand. And now we will discuss the flowers. Flowers. So student, if we talk about the flowers, flowers of the some plants such as cauliflower, broccoli and banana are eaten as a food. If we talk about, what about the banana flower? Is not a single flower but a cluster of flower. It is called, we can say that it is used as a food also. So if we take an example of the broccoli, cauliflower and cloves also, we use as a flower. And saffron, kesar is obtained from the flowers of the plant. Clove is a flower bud and it is dried and used as a spice in some dishes. So we have taken the many example of the modified root, modified stem, leaves, flowers. Okay, now there is some questions. Now you tell me student, give some modified root that are eaten by us. Yes, carrot, turnip, beetroot. And modified stem that are eaten by us: edible stem, ginger, sugarcane, turmeric. Flowers: spinach, cabbage, coriander. So these are the some modified leaves. So student, I hope you understand, and so you should read this. Food from the plants. What are the producer? Green plants can prepare their own food, so they are called producers. And consumers, animals. They cannot prepare their own food. They depend on green plants directly or indirectly for their food requirement, so they are called consumers. From where do we get food? Yes, from plants and animals. Okay students, take care. Bye.